Introducing the CHiQ 8.5 kilogram front loader washer with an elegant and stylish white design that elevates any laundry space. With a slim 577mm installation depth, our Space Pro design is perfect for flush mounting in tight spaces, saving room without sacrificing performance. The jumbo drum, taller and narrower with a 530mm diameter, ensures laundry drops from a greater height for a deeper and more effective clean. Intuitive control knob makes program selection effortless, and with two-step start child safety control, you can rest easy knowing your family is protected. Add steam treatment to reduce wrinkles, refresh fabrics, and remove odours. Available across multiple wash programs like cotton, baby care, bedding, and more. With Smart Wash, the machine detects laundry weight to optimise time and temperature. And if you forget something, simply use pause and add to drop it in mid-cycle. Interior lights guide your wash. White illuminates the drum when the power is on and the door is open for loading and unloading, and a blue light indicates the program has started and then fades. And thanks to the 4 pieces shock absorber system, you'll enjoy smooth, quiet and energy-efficient operation. The same advanced design found in top European brands. The CHiQ front loader washer WFL85SW1, advanced technology, thoughtful design and everyday convenience. Improve your life with CHiQ.